Hi, in this video we will try to change some settings of your Vim editor. So there are some default settings as usual, but we want our Vim to be a little fancier, a little more beautiful, and a lot more useful when it comes to C programming. So let's see how we can change the settings that your Vim editor uses. To do this, you need to open the file where Vim stores its settings. The file is called vimrc and it's stored in your home directory. To open it, you can use Vim itself. So it's just Vim. This character means your home directory /vimrc. So this is the name of the file .vimrc, and it's located in your home folder. I open it and it's empty because currently we don't have any settings saved, so this file is empty, so we can start from scratch. First of all, let's change the color scheme. So currently Vim uses a default scheme. It's called default. It's a nice scheme, so it uses the black background and some white and yellow characters, but I prefer a different scheme, and maybe you might want to check other schemes as well to see which one would be your favorite. So my favorite scheme is called blue, and to edit this file I need to go into the insert mode because now I cannot type any characters there. I can only type commands of Vim. So to get into the insert mode, always I use the I button. So, and as you can see, the insert caption is now here, so I'm in the insert mode now, and I can just type color scheme blue, and this is it. So this is the way to tell Vim that I want to use this blue color scheme for any file that I open using Vim. So I just save the file, escape :WQ, so write and quit. I save it and I open it once again, and as you can see, now my Vim is using this blue color scheme, and there is no difference which file we will be opening with Vim. This color scheme will be used because it's saved in the vimrc file, so the settings will be applied every time you open Vim. What if you don't like this blue color scheme? So there are many options, and basically you don't have to write your color scheme into your vimrc file and save it every time. You can just play around with the color schemes inside Vim. Just type color scheme, and you can just try different options. There are about 20 built-in color schemes in almost every Vim installation, and you can just try something like color scheme morning. Yeah, it's not my favorite. What else? Color scheme Alford. No Alford in my installation. Okay, I thought it was default one. Color scheme evening. It should be there. Yeah, color scheme evening is almost like a default one. Let's try just another one. Color scheme slate. Yeah, slate is also blackish with some bluish character colors. But alright, I will just get back to my color scheme blue, and you can Google the names of all different available color schemes and find your personal favorite. So this is just your personal choice here. What else do I need here? To go into the insert mode, and I want my syntax to be highlighted. So I will be using Vim to write source code. I will be using Vim to write C programs. So I want syntax highlight on. So I just write syntax on. What else do I want? I want to set up tabulations and indentation. So I want my code to be automatically indented. So when I will be writing something like I don't know, for something something, and so I want my code to be indented automatically instead of just typing these boring space characters or tabs. So for this reason, I need to have a few lines of settings here in vimrc. So first of all, I will need to set tab stop to 4. I will need to set soft tab stop to 4, and I will need to set shift width to 4. And you're welcome to Google what all this mean, and or you're welcome just to play around with these settings and see how you can change the Vim appearance by changing these numbers for tab stop, soft tab stop, and shift width. Alright, this was about the number of space characters for your indents, and also I want the indentation to be automatic, so I will set auto indent, and I will also set something like smart indent, so it's even smarter than the default operation. And also, since we will be doing C and I will be mostly using C syntax, I would like to set something called C indent. So this is even smarter. So auto indent, smart indent, and C indent. So it will make sure that my C syntax is always indented, because you will see that your C indentation is sometimes tricky, and Vim is doing a really good job in doing this automatically for you and saving you time writing code and reading code as well. And also I want to set the line numbers, so I want to see which line number I'm working with. So if I'm working with a large program, and even if with the I'm working with a smaller one, and my compiler tells me that alright buddy, you have an error in the line 15, so I don't want to open Vim and just start 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, right, where is my line 15? I want to be able to see where the line number 15 is. So let's save the file wq, let's open it once again and see. Oh, alright, I have some errors here. So unknown option for tab stop, soft tab stop, and shift width. Let's see. Of course, I made a mistake there, and thank you Vim for reminding me. Yeah, so the syntax is a little bit different here. So I needed to say set tab stop equals 4, set soft tab stop equals 4, and set shift width equals 4. So this is a slightly different syntax. Let's press escape, WQ to save it, and try to open it once again. Yeah, now it works just perfectly fine. And as you can see, because we use this set number, I have those line numbers now, and the syntax is on. So if I open my a certain file, a certain C program, it will work just fine. And as you will see in my next videos on Vim, I will be using these settings and my auto indentation and line numbering and syntax highlighting will be working just perfectly fine. So good luck with setting up Vim settings for your personal preferences, and just have fun trying different schemes, different options. And yeah, Vim is a nice tool, and make sure that you like how it looks.